Hey, how's everyone doing today? It is Thursday. Welcome to Sky Arc Adventures. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about the new mini update that they did on Atlas Earth, which is always one of my favorite apps that I have on my phone. They did a little mini update. I'm going to go in depth of what they did, why you all of a sudden see what you see now on your screen. Super excited. I can't wait for them to come out with even more and like maybe some buildings or something like that. If you guys can, go down there. Make sure you guys at any time in this video, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm coming out with tons more content. I've got my crypto tab. I'm going to do a video on that. Of course, I do my roller coin. Got my Atlas Earth. They got a couple of new play to earn games that will be coming out here soon for 2020. I've got one that's in beta form that I'm playing right now. That all Boxy Tactics. I don't know if anyone's ever heard of that. You guys can Google that a little bit. Super exciting. It's a turn-based strategy game. So we got that that's going to be coming out here soon. But nevertheless, if you guys want to, go ahead and we'll turn it around, show you guys the video. And if you guys want to, all of my links to everything is down below. All my apps that I use, all of that is down in the description below. So nevertheless, let's turn around, let's get into it. And this time, instead of doing it on the tablet, I went ahead and just did a screen record. That way you can guys really see the app a little bit better. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we are into the app. As you can tell, I've got a good amount of land, and the first thing you are going to notice when you access into the new game is not my girlfriend texting me. Alright, so you're going to see that you guys have now has some trees and some rocks and whatnot. So this is going to be part of the new update. As you can tell over here, in this area I've got nothing. In this area you've got nothing. In this area you've got nothing. But then you're going to see I got the rocks here. Got a little cactus over here, some cactus over here. And then you're going to see a tree there, another tree there. Okay, so when they do this update, if you see a tree, which you guys can see over there, way over there in the corner by the 4-hour mark, my neighbor also has a tree as well. So if you see a tree, like a really big tree, that is going to be, I believe, a legendary. I don't know why it's doing this. Alright, so where is the... I have to now find the payout scales. There we go. Okay, so if it has a very large tree on it, it is going to be a legendary parcel. If it's going to have like the smaller tree on it, it is going to be an epic. Rare is going to have your rocks and grass and such, and your cactuses and flowers and stuff like that. And then your commons aren't going to have anything on them, so they're just going to look like the normal squares. So that is the first thing that they have done. So now when you're driving around or whatnot, you can actually see at least the lay of the land as far as how the commons and stuff like that. What I'm super curious about is, now that they've done this, is I am going to, when I go to buy my land, as you can see the layout of it. And you can see how the layout kind of goes like this, and then goes like this. So what I'm wondering is almost like the old school Minesweepers. If in the creator's eyes it's like a Minesweeper. If you guys have ever played Minesweeper, the 1, 2, and I want to know if I buy these 2 pieces of land over here, which is connected to already rare land, that if I follow that pattern, buy one here, here, and maybe one here, if it's at least touching, you might get another common or rare or something like that, as compared to, if you notice the commons, this whole area here, and then it kind of follows the same way over here, like nothing over here. So I'm kind of super curious to see if that strategy is going to work. So the next time I buy some land, I'm going to buy it next to some of my rare or already epics and see if that pattern continues, because that would be a big key. If you find out that there's a pattern to the game, that'd be a big time key. So that's part of the new update. Second update is if you go up here in the top left corner in your feeds button and you click this little arrow, it is going to remove that feed. So now you're going to be able to see a wider area, so that way when you guys are doing your diamond hunts, you can actually see more of the entire area, and it's a lot more convenient. And that was something that a lot of people asked for that they did. Let's see here. The second thing that they did, the third thing, sorry, that they did was under here in governors, that hasn't changed, but if you go to leaderboard, now it shows the top 500 biggest USA landowners. So you can actually go through here and see the top 500 in the country. But now you can actually go to your state and you can actually see who the top is in the state, see exactly what they own, see how much money he has. So we can go, we're in Kansas, so we are going to go to the top, and it's going to be David. He has 851. Governor, let's see here, he has $9.08, and he has bought a good amount of land, and he is the mayor of quite a bit of things. Park City, none of this is near me. Clearwater, yeah, I about to say that's way, yeah, he's down south, yeah. So he's a good distance away from me. I'm actually surprised we have somebody with 851. See, so that's the cool thing, is like I can go in here and see just how much they have. He's collected already $27 worth. Whoo, he's got a good amount. Okay, so then you can go find you, and cool thing is I'm actually on here, so we can grab the little thing here, and I believe I have like 36, so 37, somewhere in that ballpark. I think they have you highlighted. Nope. So there we go. I am ranked out of 500. I'm ranked 116, so I'm actually above half. I own 28, so not too bad. Not too bad. Keep working on it. Now you guys have another way of being a little bit more competitive and working up your guys' leaderboard, not just the country. Because like I said, as far as the country goes, I think the lowest guy on here as far as the country goes is 250 is the 500. So yeah, that's I don't see me buying any that equivalent of that much land anytime soon. So as far as that goes, that's roughly about it. I'm still having a good amount of login problems. It fixed it a little bit when they very first came out with this new update, and I'd call it more of like a mini update, and I know they're going to do a whole lot more of them, because as far as anything else goes, they haven't added anything else. No auctions. The shop hasn't changed any of that. Let's see here. Yep. So that's as far as that goes. That is it as far as goes on the app. I really like this. So what I'm super excited about this app is adding the foliage, and it just gives it a more in-depth to the game, and it kind of makes you want to buy more, just so you can brighten up whatever area you're around, and just turn the world back into green, so to speak. Less gray and more green. Green means money. So we'll work on this area and keep going around my house here and keep trying to build this up and continue on over to the park over here. I'd like to buy some more of the park, and I got some more in downtown Kansas City, which is going to be over that way. So yeah, let's flip it around and finalize this video then. Alright, so there we go. So that's the rough thing. Like I said, they only changed a couple of things, and they only added a few things. Overall, like I said, can't wait for them. I'd love them to sit there and incorporate houses, or incorporate different items that you can buy, like maybe like some sort of NFTs. I know they're talking about turning Atlas Earth at some point into some sort of blockchain, or being able to turn like Atlas bucks actually into Atlas coins, kind of like my XYO app on my coin app turns coin app coins into XYO, which is actual cryptocurrency. So that's why I'm holding my money. You guys are going to keep seeing the money on my app keep going up, because I'm not trying to take it out on PayPal. I would like to take it out in a cryptocurrency if I can. They also are going to add a referral system as well to anyone that referrals people, and that you maybe get like a special bonus or whatnot. So that's going to be super exciting in the future. And then, of course, phase 2, we're all waiting on phase 2 for the auction blocks, and that's going to be super exciting. The landmarks, that's super exciting. But the positive part is mainly what I'm going to show on this mini update, is they are at least getting to that. They are at least adding stuff in. They're working hard, they're making changes. That's what you want to see whenever you guys get into a new app. You really want to see them making attempts on continuing to add whatever they need to, or just continue work. So when you get into an app or one of these newer apps, and all of a sudden I call it the dry spell. You know, you go a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and you just don't see them changing anything. That's when you kind of start withdrawing yourself. Don't try to spend more money, and you're like, well, what's going on? So as long as on Discord or stuff, and you just see them being active and they're being with the community and telling and talking. So there's a lot of stuff that, like I said, they're going to do. So that's what I like to hear. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you to everybody that has been subscribing, because I have gained so many subscribers. It's unbelievable. I've gained so many people joining on my Roller Coin and my Coin app. I'm glad to see everybody's having fun, enjoying those apps. I hear nothing but positive on that. So you guys make sure, go down there, hit up my links, have some fun, earn some crypto, earn some Bitcoin, and just have a good time. Until next time, this is Ryan with XYO Crypto. I'll see you guys around. Catch y'all later.